Hey guys, in this video, if you'd like to see me make Bailey's ice cream, wow guys, I'm so excited. Please watch the video till the end. Please watch the video till the end. Okay, the original Bailey's ice cream, and one day I'll be making my own. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Truly, I'm excited, guys. So guys, the ingredients you'll need: whipping cream. I'm going to be using 2 cups. You could use 1 cup if you want to make less. The Baileys, right? Milk, sweetened to taste, and vanilla optional. And I'm just going to be whipping. I'm going to measure out 2 cups. As I said, you could use 1 cup if you choose to make less ice cream. And then guys, what I'm going to do basically is whip until it's all whipped up. And I'm using the liquid measuring cup, right? Because your liquid is different from the that's 1 cup. Liquid is different from the dry ingredient cup, but sometimes people use the same. The first ice cream I made used the stand mixer, but I'm showing you that you can also use the hand mixer to whip it up. Now it's time to whip, guys, on a slow speed so it won't splatter, right? Slow speed and then high. Faster you the speed is, the higher the speed, the faster it gets whipped. And see, we're getting some peaks there, but I want to whip it some more. And it's about 4 minutes now into whipping. And guys, don't mind my eggs over there, I'm just going to be baking. So guys, this amount is good. I don't want to put too much vanilla. This vanilla is really thick. I'm going to add the sweet milk. The condensed milk and sweetened to taste, guys. This is less than the first ice cream I made, so I'm going to put less milk. Like, ice cream is supposed to be sweet, but the Irish cream is sweet also, so I have to be careful. And now for the Bailey's Irish cream. I love. I just bought it at the liquor store, guys. So I'm just gonna put capfuls, right? Because, well, just estimate there. That's probably 1/3 cup. Taste this, guys, okay, before I add any more. Yeah, so try 1/3 cup, guys, or you know, a 1/4 cup, but don't overdo it with the Irish cream. I just tasted it. It tasted so good. No more milk. That's like a little bit less than half can. I used milk. It's really delicious. No more Baileys. I could put more, but I won't put any more. Now I'm gonna put this in a container and into the fridge it goes. I am excited. Guys, it truly is delicious. It tastes like a coffee licorice taste. I really love this ice cream. I think next to grape nut, this is my favorite. I never had Bailey's ice cream before. And there are other ice creams I'm gonna make. Soursop ice cream. You know, you name it. Guinness ice cream. Oh yes, guys, I went ahead and I got my bottle of Guinness, the right one. Okay, you remember when I bought the wrong size for the Easter bun? So I got a 6-pack of the correct one. Okay guys, let me show you. This ice cream is going to be coming up too, the Guinness. That's the correct bottle. The other bottle I had was too big, the milliliter, the amount that was. But anyways, yeah, you smooth it out and then it goes in the fridge. For a couple of hours, perhaps overnight, maybe. Let's see, maybe 6 hours. You can check after 3-4 hours. You smooth it out. And I like that vanilla. It's very strong. All you need is a little bit. And you use your heavy whipped cream. Okay guys, so the next time you see this ice cream, I'll be scooping it up. Smooth it out best way you can and cover. Into the fridge it goes. So once again guys, this is the whipping cream I use, right? This is what I get in Canada. Maybe the one you get whether in wherever parts of the world you are, it's different, but whipping cream is what we need to use. It's going in the freezer, guys. Not the fridge, the freezer, right? Guys, this is one ice cream that I can't wait to get down into. It's been in the fridge for about 4 or 5 hours, I think. Yeah, it doesn't need to be harder than this, guys. Yummy, 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 guys. Look at this. is perfect, guys. If it's too hard, then it's hard to scoop up. So guys, how about a bit of the Baileys, you know, on top here. Wow. Yummy, 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 yummy. I love Bailey's ice cream. I mean, I love Bailey's liquor. I love the ice cream and I love the liquor. Why? Because it is sweet. And one day I'm going to make my own Bailey's too, because they also have the recipe for that. Okay, guys? Yep. How does that look? It's time for me to taste. That's the cake, guys. When the videos are up, you have to, you know, give the videos thumbs up, comment, because if you don't comment, I don't know what's on your mind. And look at it. Oh my god, it looks good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna taste it. We're in the month of June, and Father's Day is coming up, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Okay, guys, and wish you have a wonderful Father's Day when it comes. Look at the ice cream, yummy. Now, guys, it's time for me to taste. Guys, if I'm in the mood, I'll make a whole bunch of video in one day. Okay, and that's what I'm doing today. After I made the ice cream, I said I had to bake cake. I didn't plan on baking cake today, but I have control of the milk, right? So if you don't want your ice cream like super sweet, food is good. I didn't want to go too much on the, you know, the liquor. So I think it's refreshing, yeah. You're not tasting too much alcohol. I really like it. I love it. I love Baileys, but it's a bit harsh, I find, so I don't drink a lot of it. As a matter of fact, I don't buy it because if I have it here, I'll be drinking it because it's sweet. So I don't buy it. So I decided to buy it when I see all these videos going around on the Bailey's ice cream. I had to make it. So guys, thank you for joining me in another video, and you have a great day. Here's the cake, and don't miss that video, okay? You'll be seeing all these videos. The sponge cake, and I put my own twist on it, and you know, I decorated it. Cake and ice cream. You can have control of how sweet you want it, your cake or your ice cream, right? Ice cream and cake, guys. Yep, I dunk my cake into the ice cream. Bailey's ice cream, sponge cake. It's all good.